Morning, students. Let us continue with your exercise 16.1. It's question number 8. The statement of the question is an experiment consists of a recording of boys, girls, composition of a family with two children. Right? Number 1 is what is the sample space if we are interested to know whether it is a boy or girl in order to their births. B part is what is the sample space if we are interested in the number of the girls in the family. So for the first part, there are four possibilities, students, that both the children are boy, both the children are girls, elder child is the boy and the younger is the girl, or elder child is the girl and the younger is the boy. It means the sample space is B1, B2, then G1, G2, right? Then B1, G2 and G1, B2. So that is the sample space. Second part is what is the sample space if they are interested in the number of the girls in the family. Means there are number A, no girl, B is there is one girl, and C is there is two girls. I mean to say the sample space is 0, 1, 2. So that is your question number 8, students. Question number 9, try yourself. Let us come with question number 10, students. An experiment consists of the tossing a coin and then tossing and throwing it second time if the head occurs. If a tail occurs in the first toss, then a die is rolled once. Then the sample space is, we have to find out. Now students, if you see that when we throw a coin that two times, then it may be head two times or maybe head or tail, right? But here, while the tail is coming, because it is given to you here in the question, if tail occurs, then roll a die. Means if tail is occurring, then T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. This type of the sample space will come. Now let us come with question number 11. Suppose that three bulbs are selected at the random from a lot. Each bulb is selected and classified as defective or not defective. Means defective, it is noted by D. It is non-defective, it is denoted by N, right? So what is the sample space? The sample space is, students, D, 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 N, D, N, D and D, double N. Second is N, means non-defective, N, D, N, D, N and N, double D. So that will be the sample space. Means here this D that represents the defective and this N will represent the non-defective. Now here we will change the position. First of all, we will introduce one N there, then we will change the position, then double N will come here. With the same way, we will use N, then we will introduce there one defective and we can form this sample space. Question number 12 is same. Let us come with question number 13, students. In the question number 13, two numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are written separately on the 4 slips of the paper. The slips are put in the box and mixed thoroughly. A person draws 2 slips from the box, one after other, without replacement. Describe the sample space. Now students, here 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 possible outcomes will come, and the sample space that will be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, because we will not take 3, 3, that will be the same. 4, 1, 4, 2 and 4, 3, we will not take 4, 4 here. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 into 3, that is 12 total outcomes, that is the sample space will come. So let us come with question number 14 students. An experiment consists of the rolling of a die and then tossing a coin once if the number on the die is even. Number is even. Take care students here. Then if the number is of the die is odd, then coin is tossed twice. Write the sample space of the experiment. If it is even, means 2 head, 2 tail, 4 head, 4 tail, 6 head, 6 tail in case of head. But if it is odd number, then 2 dice, 2 coins are tossed. So it will come as 1 head, 1 head tail, 1 tail head, 1 tail, or 3 headed, because this is first odd number, this is second odd number. 3 head, 3 head tail, 3 tail head, 3 tail, right? Then 5 head, 5 head tail, 5 tail head, and 5 tail. So try to understand. If it is even, then 1 coin is tossed with it. What if it is the number is odd? When we are tossing a coin, if it is odd, then with that 2 coins are tossed. Then this type of the probability, this type of the sample space will come. So if you will see that student, the question number 15 and 16 both are same. So solve these questions, 2 questions yourself. With this question, your exercise 16.1 is over.